Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will be learning how to create a local account in Windows 10 version 1903. So in order to do that we need to go to settings, click on the notification icon at the bottom right corner, expand it and click on all settings, click on accounts and then click on family and other users. Now simply I have two accounts, so it shows this account, and technical tips is the account which I am logged on at the moment. So we'll be clicking on, if you have only one account, you will have only this option, add someone else to this PC, and there will be no other user account and all. So if you want to add one more account, you will have to simply click on add someone else to this PC. And since it is a local account, we will click on I don't have this person's sign in information, and on the next screen click on add user without a Microsoft account. Simply give it a name. I'll name it as a test. You can create a password if you want and simply click on next. So we have created one more account here. Now if you want to give that person admin rights, you will have to make little change here. You will have to click on it and click on change account type and simply change it to administrator, because if you don't do this, the person who will be using that account will not have complete rights. Now click on OK and simply close this. Click on Windows, click on this icon, and now you can switch account from here, or you can simply sign out from your existing account and then click on the new account you have created, and it will take you to new account. So I will do that. So I'm clicking on the account which we have created, and simply click on sign in. Click on I accept, and there you go. You will see Microsoft Edge, which automatically opens up as soon as you are in the new account. So I'll close this. Now if you want to delete the account which you have created, or any account that you don't want in your computer except your account, you can simply go to the same place by clicking on that notification. Click on all settings, accounts, family and other users. Click on the account you don't want and click on remove. Delete account and data. Click on that and just wait till it completes. Okay, that account is gone. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button if you like the video. Thank you very much again, and you have a great day. Bye bye.